Good morning, children. This is your teacher, Shikha. Grade 1, English, Block 3. See who has come to meet you. This is Kichu the monkey, the naughtiest monkey. Kichu can't sleep. Reading for details. Block 3, Grade 1, English. What are we going to learn today, children? We are going to learn about the story. Identify the main events of the story and put them in order. Order how we have to sequence the story in proper manner. Here the keywords which we are going to learn today is can't, sleep, mother, father, brother, sister. Are you all ready for the story, children? Bingo! What is the name of the story? The name of the story is Kichu the monkey can't sleep. The main character of the story is Kichu the monkey. His eyes are wide open and he can't sleep. Why he cannot sleep? He cannot sleep because his mother is singing, his father is dancing, his brother is jumping, and his sister is crying. So, all are action words. Mother is singing, father is dancing, brother is jumping, and sister is crying. These action words are also called ing words. Now, can you tell Kichu the monkey cannot sleep? Why? Let's find out why and what is happening to this naughty monkey. Why he cannot sleep? Kichu the monkey cannot sleep because his family members are making noise. Who are in Kichu's family? In Kichu's family, there is mother, father, brother, and sister. Like in your family. Who all are there in your family? You have to tell me that who all are there in your family. What are they doing? The Kichu's family member I am asking about. What are they doing? They are singing, dancing, jumping and crying. What do you think will happen next? Let us go through the story and find out what happens next. So, the next page. Kichu monkey goes out and he sees the moon is shining. The birds are sleeping. Kichu monkey sits by the river. The fish are leaping. The frogs are smiling. Can you see the all rhyming words are coming? How the moon is shining. The birds are sleeping. Kichu monkey sits by the river. The fish are leaping. The frogs are smiling. Saw the rhyming words? Bingo. Kichu closes his eyes and before you can say hip hip hooray, is rolling to the right. What he starts doing when sleep? He starts rolling towards left and rolling towards right. As he was rolling left and right, and he rolls right into the river. Splash! As he was rolling right and left, he falls into the water. Kichu monkey is wide awake. He's all wet and he's feeling cold. What happens when we fall into the water? We get wet and we feel cold. He runs back to home. His mother is singing. Tell me what all his family members are doing? His mother is singing. His father is dancing. His brother is jumping. And his sister is crying. So same thing is happening. Kichu monkey doesn't mind. He pulls up his blanket and is asleep before you can even say hip hip hooray. Because why? Because he was so sleepy and so tired. The rest, all the family member is still doing the same thing and Kichu is asleep. Did anything change in Kichu's home? When he came back to home, nothing has been changed. It was as noisy as it was before. Why do you think Kichu was finally able to sleep? He might be so sleepy, right? Kichu was so sleepy, so he slept. He falls asleep. If you were a Kichu, what would you do to fall asleep? Think. Children, we need to think and we need to visualize, imagine the things what happen in the story. What if it happens with you? That is how you will be able to relate yourself with the story and the event. Now let us go through the main events of the story. What happened? Let us follow the sequence. Kichu monkey can't sleep. This was the first point. Kichu monkey was not able to sleep. Right? He was so sleepy. Second point, he goes out of the house. Right. Third point, he sleeps near the river. Fourth point, he falls in the river. He comes back home. He falls asleep. These are the main events of the story. Now go through your workbook, see block 3 and write down today's date. Remember children, every time, whenever you are doing your classwork, your homework, your worksheet, it is very important to write date, right? So complete your worksheet, read out your story at home with your mother or father, their help, enjoy your story and enjoy Kichu's company in the story, right? And learn all the spellings and words, the key words carefully. Because when we meet in the class, I am going to ask you many questions about this story. Enjoy your day to the fullest, children, and have a sweet sleep at night. Don't tell your mother that I can't sleep. Bye-bye. Thank you.